Have you ever paused beneath the night sky and felt the moon watching over you? Softly glowing, silent, constant. The moon is much more than a distant sphere of rock orbiting our planet. For millennia, cultures across the world have seen the moon as a sacred guide. Today, we explore the moon, nature's silent guardian. The moon has whispered to humanity since the beginning of time. In many traditions, the moon represents the divine feminine, the yin to the sun's yang. She is the goddess of intuition, dreams, fertility, and mystery. Even today, we instinctively feel her pull, like the ocean tides drawn to her gravitational embrace. New moon, a time of beginnings. Plant your intentions like seeds in fertile soil. Waxing crescent to first quarter, growth, momentum, and taking action. Full moon, illumination, heightened emotions, clarity, and culmination. A time to release and celebrate. Waning gibbous to last quarter, reflection, gratitude, and gentle letting go. Waning crescent, rest, healing, and preparation for renewal. By attuning ourselves to these phases, we reconnect with a natural rhythm long forgotten in modern life. Have you ever noticed that your dreams may feel more vivid during a full moon? Or that your emotions rise like the tide? The moon's energy amplifies our intuition. It's as if the veil between worlds thins, allowing subtle messages from our subconscious to emerge. Many people use moonlit nights for meditation, divination, and setting intentions. The moon teaches us that wisdom often comes not from the noise, but from the stillness. From listening to the quiet whispers of the heart, the moon invites us to honor balance. In a world obsessed with constant action and productivity, the moon reminds us of rest, reflection, and inner harmony. She embodies the feminine principle, receptivity, flow, nurturing, and emotional intelligence. Whether you are male or female, we all carry both solar and lunar energies within us. When we embrace both, we find wholeness. Many sensitive souls feel comforted by the moon's presence. Like a silent guardian, she watches while we sleep, softly influencing our dreams and emotions. Moonlight is seen as cleansing, purifying, and energetically balancing. Some people even practice moonbathing, simply standing under the moonlight to absorb her subtle, calming energy. The next time you gaze up at the moon, remember, the moon has seen every sunrise and every sunset of human history. She reflects light even in our darkest hours, reminding us that no matter how shadowed life may seem, light is always nearby. The moon is more than a rock in the sky. She is nature's silent guardian.